In our fast-paced digital world, it's important for kids to take time and connect with nature. That's why the Dickinson County Nature Center is prioritizing $2.2 million of renovations to its nature playscape. KTIV's Ellen Ide explains.
Next to the Dickinson County Nature Center sits a playground offering a unique experience. It is made entirely of natural materials and is surrounded by the great outdoors.
Having that natural connection to green spaces can boost creativity and reduce stress. You know, with kids facing so much screen time these days, finding those natural connections are really hard to come by.
For over a decade, the Nature Playscape has allowed kids to engage all 5 senses through imaginative physical activity. But time has taken its toll on the organic elements of the playground.
Things have kind of started showing their wear and tear over the years, and so we're actually designing a new plan for the playscape.
The Dickinson County Conservation Board has teamed up with a Canadian company to fully remodel the eco-friendly park, which should encourage creativity and unstructured play.
This is a $2.2 million project. Currently $400,000 have been committed to the project. We're reaching out to the community for those large and small donations.
Donors will be honored on a giving wall when the park is done.
Pending fundraising, we're hoping to start construction in the spring. Who knows, that might start a little bit sooner if we can get started in the fall, whether those donations come through.
In Okoboji, Iowa, Ellen Ide, KTIV News 4.
To learn more about the plans for the redesigned park, or if you want to donate to the project, we've got the details inside this story at KTIV.com.